Carrots are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and other healthy nutrients and compounds, and carrot juice is a very easy way to get this important nutrition. Ginger is also one of the healthiest spices we can consume, which is also nutrient dense. By combining both ingredients together, it becomes an immune system boosting powerhouse that can even offer medicinal properties. To make carrot juice at home, all you will need is 4 to 5 carrots, about a 1-inch piece of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of raw natural honey. Wash the ingredients thoroughly and simply put them through a juicer. Add the raw honey after the ingredients have been juiced, and enjoy. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of drinking carrot ginger juice. First, carrot ginger juice is packed with nutrition and is very nutrient dense. Carrots and carrot juice are an amazing source of vitamin A, as well as vitamin K, potassium, manganese, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. Carrot juice is also a great source of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and fiber. Ginger also contains many different nutrients. It is a good source of copper, magnesium, potassium, vitamin C, and manganese. It also contains bioactive compounds, antioxidants, and a potent compound known as gingerol. Carrot and ginger juice can also help to improve brain function and reduce the risk of developing certain brain disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The high amounts of beta-carotene in carrot juice has been shown to reduce cognitive decline and age-related memory issues. The beta-carotene and high amounts of antioxidants in carrots can also help to improve brain functioning while also improving memory. Like carrot juice, ginger can also help to improve brain function and reduce unwanted brain ailments such as Alzheimer's disease. Studies have shown that antioxidants and potent bioactive compounds in ginger can inhibit and reduce inflammatory responses in the brain, with chronic inflammation being a risk factor for age-related decline in cognitive ailments. Ginger can also help to improve memory and reaction time. Consuming carrot and ginger juice can also help to boost immunity and fight infections and reduce the risk of developing certain illnesses. Carrot juice can help to strengthen the immune system while also fighting off infections. This is often attributed to carrot juice containing potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can reduce free radicals, which can damage the immune system. Carrot juice also contains high levels of both vitamin C and vitamin A, two natural immunity-boosting nutrients. Ginger can also help to boost our immune system and reduce the risk of developing common cold and flu symptoms, as well as certain infections. It has been used for more than decades to help fight the common cold and flu and to reduce disease. This is attributed to its unique compounds, natural oils, and especially its main bioactive compound gingerol. Gingerol provides important medicinal properties and potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects to naturally boost our immune system. Lastly, consuming carrot and ginger juice regularly can help to promote the overall health of our heart and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Carrots and carrot juice can help to lower cholesterol levels and triglycerides. As well, carrots contain many heart-healthy nutrients, such as potassium, which can help to regulate blood pressure, as well as fiber, manganese, and antioxidants. Ginger is also incredibly healthy for our heart. Studies have shown that ginger can help to lower total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides when consumed regularly. Its potent antioxidants and unique compounds such as gingerol are also helpful in this regard. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.